एक डायलॉग था फिल्म में, मर्द से आता है मेरी बीवी कहाँ है.
Any advice that you've given to someone going through the breakup?
Yes.
Oh yeah, I'm very good at that.
I get marks for asking questions. Also. What is Bridezilla?
Like Godzilla. So imagine a bride. You know how you get jitters and everything. So there's a word called Bridezilla.
Wow.
I'm waiting for these reactions.
Was there a moment in your life where you realized the importance of mental health?
My father was hospitalized, and I was told that it's not happening. Nothing will bring him back. Everything is happening, and I don't know what to do.
There was a time actors would hide their marriages also for different reasons, but one of the most common reasons was image.
There are certain things you will have to let it happen.
What is the worst and best wedding gift you've received?
Best wedding gift? Cash.
Hi, this is Pari, you're watching us on Yuva, and I'm about to get friendly with two of my most favorite people on and off screen, Pratik Gandhi and Yami Gautam. Hi guys.
Thank
Hi,
you.
Pat-
Pari.
Were you expecting
No.
something?
No, I was just wondering that how sweetly you said two of my most favorite people, but I've heard you know, that intro is for everyone, so.
No.
No?
No. Ask them no. I
Really?
didn't say that
She
last
said
time.
on and off screen.
On and off screen. That is
yeah.
so sweet. And I love your name. You know why? You know, Pari Mishra.
Yeah.
Yeah,
I know you told me this story
Yeah.
once.
And I love telling that again. Recall Valley to your old friends. Anyways,
Okay.
Thank you for having us. And yeah, the only person yeah, who's made things like the room come even more alive.
Yeah.
So thank you.
Oh wow. So this is It's All Friendly. It's a very friendly game. Okay, मैं आपको rules
What
समझाती
is
हूँ.
to do with friendly? Okay, now I really want to know. Huh.
Okay, so there are
all
chits here and हर एक chit पर एक सवाल है.
Okay.
And each of these questions has a point.
Okay.
The higher the emotional quotient of the question, the higher the point is. Your objective is to score the maximum points because जो भी ज़्यादा points कमाएगा वो जीतेगा. So this is you, Team Yami and Team Pratik.
Done.
Okay, so you are actually like against each other right now
Oh.
in this game.
Okay, okay.
Ready?
Ready.
Shall we? So who wants to start first? Yeah, men first. Which one?
Work life?
Okay, last wala?
Last.
Last.
Last line, I guess, is the highest number line, I think.
Okay, this is all 8.
Yeah, but नीचे पूरा.
Oh, all right. पहला ही सवाल. How excited are you about your role as Mahatma Gandhi and what can you tell us about that and about Phule?
Ow.
I think I
8
know what to
points.
avoid now. It's okay, मैं चार करके 8 कर लूँगी.
So, I'm very excited about both these characters, and both these characters are Mahatmas of our nation, and first person to be called Mahatma, that's Phule, and then Gandhi. Their journey is so inspiring. It is actor's dream to play these two characters in one lifetime. So I just feel blessed that I got this opportunity.
Man, we're very excited. I think it's your third collaboration with Hansal Mehta.
Yeah.
Yeah, the third one. Looking forward to that. Okay, so 8 points to Pratik.
I'll start with Dhoom Dham.
Dhumdham? Okay. Any? All सारे.
3.
Third wala?
Okay, so when you select Dhumdham, it's the question related to the film.
Dhumdham, yes.
Oh,
It's
okay,
related
okay.
to the
I
film.
thought yes. Okay.
Oh, okay. Because this film is a comedy film, what is your favorite part about doing a comedy film?
कॉमेडी यार मतलब हंसना किसको पसंद नहीं है एंड आई थिंक दिस द फास्टेस्ट वे टू रीच योर ऑडियंस जब कोई ऐसा रोल मिले जो फनी उसमें है लाइक कोयल मेरे आसपास भी नहीं है मेरी पर्सनालिटी के बट दे ट्रस्टेड मी आदित्य फेल्ट नो आई थिंक यूल डू अ रियली गुड जॉब एंड यू एंड प्रतीक विल बी अ वेरी डिफरेंट पेयरिंग एंड किसी ने तुम्हें इस तरह का रोल करते देखा ही नहीं है फॉरगेट दैट इस तरह का रोल बहुत लिखा भी नहीं जाता है मुझे लगा ठीक है अब ये नया चैलेंज है ये करते हैं मज़ा आएगा
वो जो एक पूरा एक रैंट मोनोलॉग था आई लव्ड इट
You loved it?
I
thank
loved
you.
it.
I'm waiting for these reactions. No, because this is like purely this is
Yeah.
your audience and you know when they cheer for you कि यार this is now the monologue that we have got now our side.
Yeah.
Team all the girls.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
Let's go for
Maybe.
it.
And I love how the guy in this was the bhola bhala and
but you saw
know.
what he does in the end.
Yeah. I have a question regarding this, but I'll come to that at the end. Let's finish this first. Okay, so 4 points for Yami, please. Pratik, your turn.
Dhumdham.
Any?
Any.
Any. Okay. What made you say yes to the film?
It's a very interesting genre. And I, as an audience, have always loved watching these kind of films. Rom-com mixed with action. The fun part of it, the humor is not underlined, but it's an integral part of the film. I mean, every situation, the situation gets bizarre and it gets funnier for the audience. So these two characters, their journey is so interesting. And as far as Veer's character is concerned, I guess ऐसे characters ना हम रोज देखते हैं अपने आसपास कि इसको देख के लगता नहीं है कि यार ये ऐसा भी कर पाएगा या ऐसा ही होगा.
I have to mention this about this film. What stands out also is that how different as a hero you are, right? ये कितना अलग hero है. ये aggressive hero नहीं है, ये violent hero नहीं है, ये beta male hero है ये. और ये है the alpha character.
You know, एक डायलॉग था फिल्म में
हाँ.
जो आदित्य और अर्श ने जो डायलॉग्स लिखे हैं कि कोई इनसे बात कर रहा है मेरे बारे में, एंड लास्ट में जो लाइन है वो खत्म होती है कि बहुत कुछ मर्दाना है या कुछ मर्द है, से हाँ मर्द से ज़्यादा मेरी बीवी कहाँ है. So the way that punch landed, it always sounded funny in my head कि हाँ मर्द से ज़्यादा मेरी बीवी कहाँ है भाई.
How do you be so secure as an actor but to play these characters?
You're not giving him all the points for asking extra questions.
No. वो सिर्फ वो 4 ही point.
मैं तब से मेरी नज़र वही है.
I just feel it's very important because like how I was saying, there are certain there's aggressiveness and all of that around the male characters, and here जैसा मैंने कहा सीधा simple भोला सा, the woman is taking charge here. How do you get secure as an actor to play these roles?
I don't think it's difficult. I just don't think it's difficult. If you keep things simple in your mind and the whole film comes first, then everything else. I'll just take an analogy here, that if you go bungee jumping, the one who jumps is a hero, right? But actually, the rope that anchors you and saves your life is also equally important, I guess. That's also a hero. So sometimes if you are not jumping, you become that rope. That's okay, that's good.
Wow.
You know what
Right?
I'm gonna say?
How beautiful.
Yeah.
Okay, 4 points. Very lovely answer, but only 4 points. हम दे पाएंगे आपको.
So cool, my point total is
8.
12.
What? 12.
12
Correct,
na?
correct.
12.
Yami, your turn.
Work life 8.
8. First one, second one.
First.
Okay. Earlier, an actress becoming a mother usually meant the end of her career. Do you think the industry is now evolving and has become more inclusive?
Absolutely yes. Absolutely. The very fact that I've never been busier in my life before as much as I am right now is a true testimony to that fact. And we worked very hard to reach here. Very, very hard. There was a time where actors would hide their marriages also for different reasons, but one of the most common reasons was image, perception. Ek hero ki image. He has to be desirable or she has to be desirable, especially from a female's perspective. And of course, once you have kids, it's a totally different image, right? Of course, we're not getting into if someone really wanted to work also or not. That's also but that should be a personal choice. It cannot be I wanted to work, but I didn't get those kind of roles or I didn't get the kind of work I wanted to do because I became a mother. Like I've had producers, thankfully and fortunately, and all my respect to them for waiting for me to come to a point. They had narrated their films and discussed their films when I was pregnant, and they waited. They said, no, please take your time. We want you only to do what the respective part, and not just with me. I see that happening with other female actors as well. So that's why I'm saying it's not one person's doing. It's together coming as a collective force where we want better roles, we want good roles, we want we want substance in whatever we do, and respect.
People are also realizing that as you get these kind of experiences in real life, you enrich yourself as an actor also, as an artist also. So the moment anybody attend this parenthood, motherhood, you are enriched. You are so rich with real life experience.
क्योंकि आप grow कर रहे हो as a person.
You know new boundaries of all the emotions.
True. That is
And that will definitely help you create brilliant characters on screen. So it makes more sense.
That is actually a very valid and apart from being a beautiful thought, that's a very valid thought as an actor. That is true, because that emotion of being a parent is something else that can never be explained, that can only be felt.
And everybody wants to work with experienced artists, right? So this is इससे बड़ा experience ही क्या है?
नहीं हो सकता. Correct. 16 मार्क्स का आंसर था, पर हम आपको 8 पॉइंट्स ही दे सकते हैं.
नहीं तो 8-8 मैं आप ही हूँ.
8 points. I think टक्कर में चल रहा है अभी 12 and 12. Okay, Pratik, your turn.
My turn?
Yeah.
Okay, mental health?
Okay, which one?
Last. Let's go for the
अब पहले
big one.
नीचे वाले ही जाने वाले
हाँ मतलब क्योंकि उधर ज़्यादा points हैं.
Okay, was there a moment in your life where you realized the importance of mental health?
Yes.
Can you share that moment? कौन सा था वो?
There are multiple moments, but two peaks that I remember is when the lowest of your time and the highest of your time. Emotionally. Emotionally, you are lowest when you actually need that support, that where do I get strength from within. When my father was hospitalized and I was told that it's not happening, nothing will bring him back. I had just left my job, searching for work. Financially also you are pushed completely. You know, every day 7:30 you get messages from the hospital that this is the outstanding amount. If it goes beyond 1.5 lakhs, tomorrow's treatment will be held. Everything is happening and I don't know what to do. That's when you actually need that support, strong support, and that support can come from your family, your friends, but more from your mind, from yourself. And how do you do this? I guess that's when you need that strong will and hope, a lot of hope in life that okay, this will also pass. There are a lot of things that are not in my control. So if I constantly push myself against something that is absolutely out of my control, it will not lead me anywhere. So that's when I felt that the need of mental stability, that there are certain things you will have to let it happen because you can't stop it anyway. And the other extreme is, when suddenly success hits you after a long wait and long time, how do you process it? Because if suddenly something was still and it gets all the energy in the world, so it might go in any direction unless you know how to anchor yourself, how to hold it back, how to digest it and still be absolutely normal for the next morning. So both these extreme, I felt that the mental stability and mental health is of the utmost importance.
Wow.
Please
Thank
give
you
him
so
all
much.
the points. I can't right now add. Sorry for my math, but whatever jitne points hai, I'm trying to just give him that.
No, but thank you
No,
for
that was
sharing.
that was actually.
Thank you for sharing that.
Very
Yeah.
heartwarming.
Okay, you are at 20, I think 12 plus 8. Let's try and beat that, Yami.
Okay, let's go for love marriage 8.
Yami is also on the last line now.
Okay, what advice has someone given you to help you get over a breakup?
I'll come back to my work only, yaar. 8.
Oh, but can we
interesting
change this? Can we change the question?
हाँ, please.
हाँ, just
बोलो
change
ना.
the question. उसको 8 बना दो.
चलो ठीक है.
Any interest? Wait, no, don't do
हाँ
it.
हाँ. Okay, Pratik.
I mean, let's change the question.
Let's change the question.
If you have not got any advice during breakup, any advice that you have given to someone who's going through the breakup?
Yes.
Oh yeah. I'm very good at that.
See, I get marks for asking questions also.
Oh yes, I'm very good with that, but I was asked to just keep quiet in the end because finally she wanted to go do what she wanted to do. Initially I was more like, that constantly that voice in the ear, it's okay, it's fine and it's absolutely fine. You are this, you are that, you are the force, you are
Good enough.
हाँ, and that's actually okay. Last में पता चला कि शादी भी होगी साथ में तो मैं क्या कर रही थी उल्टा मुझे
You became a
सुनना पड़ा.
villain.
Yeah,
You felt cheated?
I remember she telling me, you are working in Mumbai, and there it's very different. I'm like different, matlab? No. I can't explain, but I think you were wrong, Yami. I think you were wrong. I think I'd like to. I don't even think there was any explanation. I was just given a card.
यार ये जो दोस्त होते हैं ना आप इतना इन्वेस्ट करते हो
नहीं,
उन्हें एडवाइस करने
it
में.
doesn't end there.
फिर अच्छा.
Again it comes back. I think you were. Why didn't you stop me? How do I stop?
So जितनी बार उनकी लाइफ में झगड़ा होगा ना, every time you will be called.
नहीं, I think now we meet peace ki now it is what
You are
it is.
responsible for what is happening.
So yeah. Yeah, I've been hired and then fired and hired and then put down my paper, like resigned.
Put down my papers. So cute. Okay, 8 points to you. Thank you for
Thank
flipping
you,
the
thank you.
question. And your turn now.
Family and friends. Last one.
Okay. How is your parenting different from your own upbringing? मतलब the way you were raised, आप कुछ differently कर रहे हो as a parent?
Yeah, we were raised at two different times, absolutely different times. But though I'm trying very hard to be like my parents, to give all the freedom and to encourage throughout and every time. Something that I have added is that I do a lot of storytelling to my daughter to communicate a lot of things, because the current generation is, if you start preaching, if you start teaching them something on their face,
नहीं
they are not interested. मुझे आधे sentence में पता चलता है that she is not listening to me. So I have to weave a whole story around it and then communicate to her. हमारे टाइम में पेरेंटिंग ऐसी होती थी कि बेटा ऐसा है, ओके, गॉट इट.
ऐसा ही है.
ऐसा ही है.
Okay, no
So yeah, so
questions
the
asked.
innovation is required there.
Right, you have to get creative, no, with
Yeah,
your
absolutely.
Tools and devices of parenting. Yeah, thank you. Okay, 8 points to Prateek. Yummy.
8 points किसमें बचे हैं?
अभी बचे हैं वर्क लाइफ में.
है. Work life, although I do want to pick up like family.
So
or
give both
mental
the
health.
धूमधाम्स to her.
हाँ,
Back to back.
हाँ, दोनों दे दो.
दोनों दे दो.
दोनों अच्छा चलो. Which is the most धूमधाम शादी you've attended? ये पहला है. And what did you learn from Prateek as an actor while working on Dhoom Dham?
I think my friends, that friend's wedding was the most.
Because उनको शादी के पहले की धूमधाम भी पता थी.
I think it was the most धूमधाम wedding in every way. Where I saw everything, in the sense, how do you become a bridezilla? How do you become, you know
No, what is bridezilla?
Like Godzilla, right? So imagine a bride, जिसकी भी शादी होनी है. You know how you get jitters and everything. So there's a word called bridezilla.
Wow.
आप ऐसा मतलब.
I've learned this
Cold feet
today.
Cold
Yeah.
feet as a bride.
हाँ,
Yeah,
मतलब
the
just like you're
bridezilla.
nervous, आप कुछ भी शायद बोल रहे हो, गुस्सा कर रहे हो, वो सब थोड़ा nervous है तो you know all those things like bridezilla. And I've seen literally full धूमधाम, गाना बजाना. It was a proper Punjabi wedding. And man, oh man, that was some धूमधाम शादी. And properly every rasm, everything, where I'm seeing a big bag of jewelry also coming in. ये लड़के वालों की तरफ से आए हैं. And I'm like, what? And this is this har, this is Rani har, this is that, this is this. And we are just like, I'm like, wow, it's like literally, you know, it is like that fairy tale kind of a wedding where, जो हमने फिल्मों में देखा है, you know, and there's a Rajkumar waiting for you. टुक 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 टुक. I don't know
ये
why
वही राजकुमार है जिससे शादी करने के लिए उन्होंने मना किया.
राजकुमार का sound is टुकड़ुक 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 टुकड़ुक.
I know
वो
why I
घोड़े
said
पर आ
that.
रहा है.
टुकड़ुक टुकड़ुक टुकड़ुक. And
घोड़े पे आया था, टट्टू पे आया था.
why did I say that? And okay, टुकड़ुक. हाँ, तो proper पूरे function जो literally like 5-6 दिन की शादी होती है. So that is the biggest, I think, धूमधाम wedding that I remember. और भी देखी हैं बहुत सारी.
And then you chose to do a non-Dhoom Dham wedding.
And absolutely. Then then we decided I have to create my own version of what is a धूमधाम wedding.
How cute.
And that's when Aditya, again, a very important decision of your life, where both the partners, you have to be on the same page. That is why we're life partners, because jitne bhi core decisions in life ke, we're always on each other's side. So even Aditya was very sure कि यार वो वाली दाल में नमक कम
टुकड़ुक नहीं चाहिए. नहीं होगा वैसे.
टुकड़ुक वाली शादी नहीं करनी, दाल में कम नमक है वाली शादी नहीं करनी.
Okay.
So we were very clear. And Prateek is, I'm sure, is, I think, anyone who's seen his journey, who's known his journey, who's worked with him, not worked with him, but knows him as a person. And whatever I know of Prateek, he's a gem of a guy. He is all heart. He's one of those guys who will be present and aware wherever they are, चाहे वो काम हो, चाहे वो अपनी family में हो. So there was always this one calming set and patient voice on the set, which was of Prateek's, and he would always come up with some brilliant logic. He's a very solution-oriented guy, no egos, nothing, and I think that is one of the reasons why his success when it comes to someone like him is celebrated also with that dhoom dham and with that loud and cheer. And I'll always be, whether we meet or not, I'm sure we're going to work again, but you don't have to be the best of friends to cheer for each other. You just, somewhere you've done something good, and you've left such an impact that somewhere in the corner someone's there wishing well for you. वो आज के time में मुझे लगता है बहुत बड़ी बात है, and I'll always be that silent cheerleader.
That's so
That's
sweet of
so
her. Yeah, so cute. Yeah, so
cute.
sweet.
4 plus 4, 8. I wish I could give you more for this, but it's 8 for Yami. And आप कोई भी एक सवाल पूछ लो and we finish it. End
Of your choice.
it. Love and marriage?
चलिए.
6?
6 obviously.
फिर से हर साथ मैं तो आ
What
गई
is-
competition.
गणित में मस्ती नहीं.
What is the worst and best wedding gift you've received?
Best wedding gift I've received. यार मतलब 16 साल पहले का तो थोड़ा difficult है याद करना. Best wedding gift cash.
अरे यार, गलत टाइम पे बोला हर साथ भाई
अभी अभी उस टाइम पे मतलब मैनेजमेंट के लिए it was the best gift.
उस टाइम नहीं किसी भी टाइम it is the
किसी भी
best.
time, it is the best. आजकल लोग QR code लगाते हैं इसलिए शादी में. Best.
What are you saying?
Yeah, people put QR code.
What? Really?
Yeah.
No.
You can see. अरे really?
अगर आप
You
कैश
scan it.
देने ही वाले हो तो
अरे
डिजिटल
but you know,
ट्रांसफर.
उसका जो
पर उनको
charm
इसमें भी
है,
टैक्स भरना है क्या?
Envelope में.
मतलब जो envelope होता है उस पे 1 रुपए का सिक्का होता था, but I'm saying now you have even very fancy ones. उसकी बात ही कुछ और है.
Yeah, that's true.
वो ऐसे चेंज मत करो. जब आपको बोल रहे थे आप चेंज करो, प्लीज चेंज मत करो.
But I agree. Best है cash.
So
Worst-
cash best है.
worst क्या मिला?
And the worst I guess is couple of those artifacts. मैंने बोला मैंने नया घर नहीं लिया है, मैंने शादी की है.
showpiece.
आप शोपीस को कहाँ रखोगे यार? And when I got married, we used to stay in one small one-room kitchen flat, which was converted to 1 BHK. So रहने की जगह नहीं थी, उसमें आर्टिफैक्ट कहाँ रखूँ?
Okay, Pratik, 6 points.
चलो
Work life का हाँ.
Okay, 8. As someone who's not from the industry, what has been the biggest obstacle in trying to establish yourself as an actor?
Not having any so-called, for the lack of a better word, not having anyone to watch your back, not having anyone to guide you through the do's and don'ts, it's okay if your one film doesn't work or something doesn't work. We have, others to back you. We'll keep getting there until the time people accept you. Let's work on your PR. Let's work on your appearance. Let's work on, okay, that casting is happening. Okay, let's have her a part of it. Why not? While there was nothing of that sort going on, I used to think it's a big obstacle, but I genuinely started really enjoying that because I believe what I learned, that your perspective is your biggest strength. That is the biggest strength. I still have to make 5 phone calls after this. Ki yaar, this is not happening, that is not happening. Are we doing enough? There'll always be that battle, right? वो है battle और वो जिस दिन आपने accept कर लिया that it's a challenge और उसमें आपको मज़ा आने लगा, then it's a different journey altogether.
Thank you so much. I think both of you such lovely, beautiful answers. It was a lot of dhoom-dham. It was also very wholesome, thoughtful, emotional, fun. So thank you so much for being so fabulous. Who's the winner finally?
No,
Yeah?
but I will share this because you also helped me with that questions.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you
I
so
hope
much,
this was fun
Pari.
for you both.
Yes,
Thank you,
it was.
thank you,
It
Pari.
was.
Hi, this is Pratik Gandhi.
Hello, I'm Yami Gautam Dhar.
And do subscribe to Yuva channel and you are watching us on Yuva with Pari.